my channel. Today's experiment is bath bomb. For today's experiment, we are going to need cornstarch, baking soda, citric acid, rosewood essence, blue food color, 5 ml cooking oil, spoon, soap bowl. Take the cup and put 3 spoons of baking soda. Now put 2 spoons of citric acid. Now we will put 4 spoons of cornstarch. Now we will put 5 ml cooking oil into it. Now we will put 6 drops of food color into it. Add 6 drops of food essence into it. And mix well. Now put this into soap bowl. The bath bomb is ready to go in freezer for 1 hour. Our bath bomb is ready. Now we need warm water. Now the bath bomb is ready to go in water. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Did you see? When I drop the bath bomb in the water, colorful face coming out from the water. What is the smell? What is the science behind this? The food essence gives the fragrance to the bomb. Similar to the previous experiment, this is a result of same chemical reaction you observed in the previous experiment. Cornstarch slow down this reaction.